Okay, so this is my dad's old pressure washer. This one's mine. It's a Briggs & Stratton. This one, it's one of those Huskies. They used to sell these things at like Home Depot, I believe. It's a Honda motor, the 160cc. These are very common. This is my new pump. I just bought off like toolbarn.com for $100. I'll give you the part number right there. Made in China. And yeah, these supposedly get burnt out. You're supposed to change out oil, you know, and take a lot better care than we actually do here. So this is kind of the whole system. There's just 3 bolts. One, 2, and down here 3 that hold in. There's going to be a little key and a slit, and it's going to have to go right in the correct way. But you can just pull your cord if you need to get that straightened out. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this. I'll time lapse it for you guys. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. I might have to clean out the carb a little bit to get this going, but I'm running out of garage space. I have a Ruckus, a BMW, and a Vespa. 2 pressure washers. It's just a little bit too much for this guy. So. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3 bolts out, and now this part, it might fall off, but I'm gonna see if I can do this with one hand. Yeah, I need to stand it up because those bolts I just undid, as you can see, it holds in the whole motor. So to get this off, it's probably a little bit rusted in there. Gotta take this line off, but that's the only line that comes with it. And then obviously if you have your hose attached, or your pressure washer hose. But yeah, that's it. All right, so you can see right there, the motor's in my lap. I'm actually gonna do a quick oil change. Now's a good time to do that. That key right there needs to be transferred into this one. If you don't transfer, it's not gonna spin. But that's how it works. The motor just spins that little pump. And these motors are pretty freaking awesome. So I'm gonna get the oil change. I'm not gonna show that. All you have to do is pull this off and then flip it upside down for a minute and then put new oil in where it reads to. All right, so old pump, key's removed. New pump, the key is in. So I'm just gonna slide that under there. I drained out the oil, cleaned out the carb real quick. I'm gonna put some fresh gas in it. Hopefully it'll just kick on. So that's where we're going next steps. All time lapse towards it. And just like that, out with the old, in with the new. I'm gonna go put some fresh gas in this and crank her over. Okay, so before, when my pump was bad, it rusted out, so you couldn't even get water through it. Now water's flowing, you can hear it flowing through. I'm gonna go ahead and flip it on and give her a crank. And we're good. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you guys out. This is 2008. I saw down here, it's a Husky 2008. These things are expensive nowadays. I want to keep them running. So I'm happy that I got this fixed for my dad. It's a Father's Day gift, good gift. If you're coming up short, just make sure that all these bolts are snug down after running it, and check your oil, of course. And then make sure not to leave freaking water in it again. So that's it.